Hello everyone, my name is Uddin, and I'm nominating myself for the Equality, Diversity and Inclusion Officer role at Bradford College. As a dedicated student currently studying Access to HE Business and Marketing Level 3 and working as a driving instructor, I am committed to fostering an environment of equality, diversity and inclusion for all members of our college community. My journey to this point has been shaped by my own experience and the values that I hold dear. Having come to the UK as a refugee under the United Nations Gateway Protections Program in 2010, I understand firsthand the challenges and the barriers that individuals from diverse backgrounds often face. This has fueled my passion for advocating for the rights and inclusion of all students, regardless of their background, ethnicity, or personal circumstances. I promise to do the following if elected: making sure that all students feel welcome and included, no matter where they come from or what their personal circumstances is. Standing up for the rights of marginalized community within our college and working to address any instance of discriminations or inequality. Working with students, groups, and organizations to organize events, workshops, and initiatives that celebrate diversity and raise awareness about issues related to equality and inclusions. Lastly, working closely with college administrations and faculty team to develop policies and practice, prioritizing diversity and inclusion in all aspects of our college life. I strongly believe that our differences make us stronger, and if we embrace them, we can make college a place where every student feels valued, accepted, and supported. I pledge to support equality, diversity, and inclusions, and I kindly ask for your help in achieving these objectives. Together, let's work to ensure that every student at Bradford College feels included and has the chance to succeed. Together, we are special. Thank you for your considerations.